So this is 12 plot of land, fully fenced, and the land title of this property is self-o, dry land. So you can see it's up for sale. It's fully fenced. So that's kind of a farm behind, just at the back of this. So, and the area is just developed along the Enugu old road. You can see houses around. So you can build whatever thing you want to build here, be it hotel, anything. And there is an emergency gate, the exit gate. Call it just emergency gate, the back gate there. So it's fully fenced and secured. Nice environment. So, good for your plaza, any commercial business you want to do, residential, whatever thing you want to build on this land. 12 plot of land. Yeah.
This business, you were doing this before.